Hello Babydoge coin holders, how are you? Welcome back to another video of the Babydoge coin, my friends. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos. My friends, in this video I'm talking about that what really happened in a Babydoge coin in the future. Today, what happened? Let's see, my friends. My friends, now the latest last 24 hours changes of the Babydoge coin is negative 12.74%. The price decreased in the last 24 hours, in the last one day. But my friends, that's not mean that Babydoge coin is completing loss. No, my friends, no. Babydoge coin is a profitable coin in the market. You can see here, my friends, the price of the Babydoge coin is very, very low. And my friends, the low price coin is best for investment. Always. It's a low price cryptocurrency, so personally I advise for all of you to invest more and more in the Babydoge coin. I hope they give you only profit, not loss. So invest now more and more in the Babydoge coin. Anyways, let's see, my friends, let's see more about Babydoge coin. Babydoge coin price live data here. Let's read it, my friends, by my friends. Babydoge coin price live data. Let's read it, my friends. Babydoge coin price live data. The live Babydoge coin price today is 1.71 negative USD dollar with a 24 hours trading volume of 7,000,025,330 USD dollar. Babydoge coin is down 13.48% in the last 24 hours. The current coin market cap is 2006,110 is with a live market cap not available. The circulating supply is not available and the maximum supply is. My friends, from the live data, that's clear that the Babydoge coin price is completely lost. But you know what? It is the ending of a month, so that's why, my friends, personally, I'm sure that Babydoge coin will give us profit, not loss, my friends. Just hold it. You can see, my friends, in the previous time, the price of Babydoge coin will take a huge pump. That's why I recommend for everybody that please invest more in the Babydoge coin. Hope that will make you a million. Anyways, thanks for watching this video. Subscribe now channel for more news and updates videos.